case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In an intriguing dispute over property and partnership, the Texas Courts of Appeals heard the case, Davis v. Sheerin, back in 1988. Involving 6 pieces of substantial real estate and a hotly contested 45% stake in a corporation, the suit hinged on the behavior of the majority shareholders, deemed oppressive by minority shareholder James Sheerin. Initially decided in the lower court, Sheerin was granted a 45% stake in the corporation, a decision that met resistance from the majority shareholders, the appellants in the case. The court ordered them to buy Sheerin out, a move precipitated by their decidedly oppressive conduct. The stakes were further heightened by the appointment of a receiver to safeguard the assets and business of the corporation, a development that underscored the court's disapproval of the majority shareholders' behavior. Evidence mounted in the case bolstering Sheerin's claims of ownership of 6 tracts of land, which the court deemed property of the partnership. Adding to the charges levied at the appellants was a breach of duty in their failure to reimburse Sheerin for their excessive spending. The court's decision weighed heavily in favor of Sheerin. It endorsed a buyout plan, dismissing the majority shareholders' objections. In what could be considered a victory for minority shareholders, it sanctioned the receiver's appointment and validated Sheerin's claim to the land as partnership property, a claim the appellants had fervently contested. The appellants found themselves further chastised by the court for breaching their fiduciary duties without entitlement to reimbursement. However, the court did roll back certain aspects of the lower court's ruling. It rejected the mandatory payment of dividends and the compulsory sale of the partnership property, suggesting a partition in kind instead. Despite these reversals, the larger part of the lower court's decision was upheld, highlighting the extent of the appellants' wrongful actions and the repercussions they faced. This landmark case, with Chief Justice Evans both concurring and dissenting, shed light on the possible remedies available to minority shareholders when faced with oppressive conduct by majority shareholders in a closely held corporation, setting a precedent for future cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.